Okay, in this lab, we're going to show you how you can look into what kind of plan you're in. Now, this is me logged into my profile. That's my icon over there. So if I just click on that profile and go, you can simply click on your profile, which should bring you to this page, which is basically what everyone sees usually when they go online. So you can have a look at everything you have on your repositories, 55 projects, packages, and everything else. Now, if I do edit profile, I can edit a lot of the information provided over here, but I'm after information about what kind of packages do I have. So if I go on to here, and I go to settings, and I go billing and plan and usage, I'm currently paying nothing. So I have the GitHub free, proudly. Now I can click on, now this is what it allows me at the moment. I have all these actions. What is not included is also provided as well. And what I can also do is I can go compare all plans, and I can see what can I upgrade to for $4 that I think is Australian, I would say, or US, depending on the currency you're in. And I can get all these features. I only care about the security compliance one because we're on the GHAS class. As I was showing in the slides, code scanning for public repository, secret scanning for public repository, dependency review for public repository, but no security overview for me. No depend about alert, and you do get depend about alert, but no repository rules. All that required 2FA, audit logging is also available, and role-based access control is also available, and GitHub advisory available for public services. But for the moment, this is how you check whether you have a plan that is a team plan or a pro plan or a free plan or an enterprise plan. Now, if you are on an enterprise plan or a team plan, I would definitely be mindful that you obviously are working with other people as well. So if this is the first time you are looking at Git and making some of these changes, maybe you may not even have access to the bills and plan, most likely because someone else in your organization is managing it for you. So you may not be able to see it. This is my personal account, not my organization account, which is why I can see pretty much billing and plans if I come just to here and go settings. But you may see different things here based on where you are. Okay, now that is a lab that I wanted to show you on how you can check the plans. Let's go back to the slides.